up, you guys? It's me, Jasper, and today I am back with another video. I hope everyone enjoyed their Friday. So for this video, what we're going to be working on is this shoe. See, you would think this shoe is originally like this, but guess what? It's not. You can probably tell now that I'm showing it. But no, the answer is no, it's not originally like this. I did it myself. So what this video is about is how to go from a closed toe point shoe to a regular open toe shoe. Let's see. As you can see, the point on this shoe was out of control. The point on this shoe was outrageous. And it made it unbearable to walk in. I couldn't do it. Let me just show you guys how bad it looked. Just like that. As you can see, it was out of freaking control. So I had to cut it down the sides, you know. So how to start. So what you want to do, this is what I did. I'm not quite finished with it. So let's just go over it. First, you have the shoe here. This is the shoe. You can basically do this with any shoe, but since these shoes are extremely pointy, I'll go ahead and show you how to do it. You probably can't tell, but when walking in these shoes, these heels, the shoe would bend, like the top of it would bend here. I did not like that, so I decided to make it, you know, open toe, or try to get rid of this point some kind of way. Now these shoes I actually did get from, you know, a thrift store, so just in case, and come to find out I really like them. So what you want to do is measure it first, find the spot that you're comfortable with cutting with at. So we just want to line the shoes up, and let's see, and here it'll be right here for me. So what I'm going to do is take an ink pen, and basically lightly go over that area. So let me know. That's what I want to do. And, oh, so what you'll need for this is a glue gun, your bow, which I made, and if you like it, I'll link the description of how I made this in the video. Put a link to it. And this, you can get this at Walmart. A pair of scissors, a box cutter. This is a box cutter my dad gave me. I hold on to that. I've been having it for a couple of years. So, and an ivory board, some form of an ivory board to file down and smooth everything out. So the first thing you want to do is, after you go over it with the ink pen right there, make sure it's measured. It's about the same. Next, you want to take your box cutter and then start on it like this. So give me a second and I'll come back and show you how I did it. So you'll want to use these two to go ahead and cut across. Okay? Well, after cutting the top off, after cutting the little triangle piece off here, I'm going to go ahead and mark it. I've already marked it here where I'm going to be cutting it off. Okay, so after cutting down this part here, the only thing left to do is take your ivory board, or, you know, your sandpaper or whatever you use to file, and then just file this down until it's smooth, just like this. And then after that, we'll just place the bow, and it'll be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and file it down and then show you the end product. Okay, I just smoothed it out for the most part. See, just smoothed it out for the most part. Next, all that's left to do is the bow, and we're just going to do a dab here. Okay, so I just put the bow on. The next thing you can do is optional. For me, I'm going to put some fabric on the inside of the shoe just to, you know, give it that uniform look. You can put fabric in, or you can do like buy some Dr. Scholl's or something. It'll cover the inside really nicely. But what I have here is just some fabric. You can get this from Walmart. They sell it by the square foot. Or, and just depending on what type of material it is, that's how much you can, it'll just change the amount they charge you, just depending on what type of material it is. So here I just have regular cotton, and I'm just going to put it towards the front of the shoe to give it a nice uniform look. No one should be looking at the inside of your shoe, but if you do have a problem with it looking a little bit tacky, just stick a piece of fabric in there and then glue it down, cut it to size and whatnot, just like that. To get creative with these, and I'm not too, you know, stuck on how they look right now because I did get them from a thrift store and I'm just experimenting, you know, having fun. Alright, there we go. And just covered the toe part up just like that. And here we are. These shoes look a lot better. Like I said, you can always buy some Dr. Scholl's and put them on the inside. And that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks. Oh wait, no, it's not it. To subscribe, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and then be sure to hit the bell button right next to it. That way you'll receive any notifications whenever I post something new. Thanks.